Welcome back. Well, does a home warranty replace a home inspection? Kathryn Anderson, a real estate agent at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Premier Properties, is here to explain the difference. Welcome to the show. It's good to have you here.
Thanks for having me back.
So tell us the difference between the two. I mean, it seems kind of obvious, but what do they mean exactly?
Right, so home inspection is something that's done prior to closing on a new home, and they check to make sure that everything is working, nothing needs to be repaired or replaced. A home warranty comes into effect after you close on the home, and it's a service agreement that you have with a separate company that will help you if you have any repairs or replacements that need to be done on major components that break down just from normal wear and tear in your home.
So let's say the offer is accepted, you get the home inspection scheduled. What kind of things are they looking for? What can pop up in these things?
Right, so the home inspector is looking at everything in the home. They're looking at the structure, the foundation, the shingles on the roof. They're going to look at your heating, your cooling, plumbing, electrical, appliances, everything in that home to make sure everything's working properly. If you're at the home inspection, they'll point everything out that they find for you so you don't have any big surprises. But then after that home inspection is done, we get a report of everything that they found, and we sit down and we look at that. If there is anything that's concerning to you, we go back and we negotiate with that seller to have them fix it for you or reduce the sale price so you are 100% comfortable in the home that you're purchasing. It's the biggest purchase you're ever going to make in your life. You want to be comfortable, but it's really important to remember that it's the home inspector's job to find everything that they can. They're not trying to scare you away. They just want you to be really informed.
Which is important. Like you said, if you're going to put that kind of money down, you should know.
Right. It's just like if you were to buy a used car, everyone will say, bring it to the mechanic, have them look at the engine. This is like that for a home.
Perfect analogy.
Yep.
So let's say I custom build my own home. Do I still need the home inspection even though it's been all custom built?
Right, you can certainly get one done before you close just to have it looked at. Everything is brand new, so a lot of people do waive that right to have it done before closing. But most builders will give you a 1-year home warranty. So what I do with my clients at that 11-month mark after closing, we have a warranty inspection done. So you have a month leeway there. So if something were to come up on that inspection, we send that report to the builder, and the builder comes in and fixes everything that's covered.
So that's for the buyer. Now, if I'm going to
Right.
list my house, what kind of things am I going to be doing if I'm going to be listing it?
Right, a pre-list inspection is always a great idea. It saves you from having any surprises after you have accepted an offer on your home. Say something major is found, you can fix that before you put your home on the market. It gives buyers confidence in your home. It saves them money. They don't have to pay for that inspection, and so they know exactly what they're getting.
What are some of the biggest benefits of a home warranty?
So a home warranty covers a lot of major components of your home that your home insurance doesn't cover. Your appliances, your furnace, your air conditioner unit. So a good example of that would be, say you just bought a home, you've lived there for 2 months, your furnace breaks. Your home insurance isn't going to cover that. But if you have a home warranty, you pay a service fee. It's usually about $75, $100. They come in, they have a technician. If they say you need a new furnace, you only have to pay that service fee. So you can save thousands and thousands of dollars just for having that home warranty. Every plan is a little bit different, so you need to make sure you know what's covered under your plan. And if you're selling your home, you can also have a home warranty while your home is listed on the market. So if something breaks while your home is for sale, that home warranty comes into effect again. And you can transfer that to the potential buyers of your home. And if something were to come up in the inspection, that could also be covered under the home warranty, again, saving you money.
Oh, so they come back and say, hey, you need to fix this. I go, good, I got this warranty. I'll get it fixed for you.
Yep, as long as it's covered under your plan, you just have to pay that service fee. You're good to go.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
How do people get a hold of you?
My phone number is 701-318-3536, or you can email me at Kathryn@bhspreproperties.com.
Good stuff. We appreciate it.
Thanks.
Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Premier Properties. Say that 10 times fast. Always great to have you here.
Thank you.
All right, stay with us. We got a lot more coming up right after this.